everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is well, and today I wanted to do a spring set, so we're going to be doing some pinks. So just a little update from me while I'm painting these. I'm sorry for the lack of videos the last few weeks. We are in the process of moving house, so my nail room has been upside down. We've been clearing out shit all over the house, and now I found a little space so that I can do my videos again for you guys. So I hope that's okay. Bear with me. These videos may not be consistently uploaded each week, but I will try my best. So here we have some pink, and I believe it is Beetles. I can't remember what number it was because I was talking through the first part of this video. So this is just going to be a really simple spring set. I thought it would be easy to do and a quick one for me to come back to do. So I'm just getting that first coat on all of these nails. Beetles, as you can see, is a really lovely coverage. You could probably get away with one coat depending on what you were doing, to be honest, yeah, I like to do two just in case. And I'm going to pop that into cure once they're done. And I have done another coat off camera. So the next one I'm using the white by Lavender Violets and my striper brush. I've got some on my palette there, and I'm just loading my brush and marking out the points where I want my middle stripe to be. Now I do this because otherwise I find it goes a bit wonky donkey for me personally. So I just put some little dots in as a guide. Obviously, you know, you can tidy it up and clean it up if it's not right, but if it's completely wonky, then you know you just have to wipe it off and start again. So I just prefer some dots to help guide me. And we're going to be doing a few stripes on this nail, but I do like to flash cure in between just for 10 seconds. So once I'm happy with that line, I am going to pop it in the lamp, you know, just to secure it. Oh no, I have decided that I'm cleaning up with my angled brush. So this is a flat angled brush that I've dipped in some isopropyl alcohol, and it's really good actually, one of these types of, you know, you can go in and just tidy it up, whatever you're doing. I mean, I'm sure it was probably fine to most people anyway, but you know, I like to faff. So get it in the lamp, woman. Let's go. There we go. So that's been flashed for 10 seconds just to secure it while I do the other ones. It's just in case really I completely mess this next one up and need to wipe it off. You would think actually that by wiping it off, just that little line there, you wouldn't touch the other one, but hey, I have done in the past. So I'm just using the other line to try and make sure that the gap is consistent all the way down from that one. And I find that easier then to use my eyes, if you like. Well, of course I'm using my eyes. Using that as a guide to see where, you know, the line's meant to go. You get what I mean. So that's that one, and yep, we're going to go in for the last stripe. Just let your brush do the work really, you know, just lay it down, drag it through. It's never going to be perfect first time. So yeah. Now I do two of these nails and I only film one. There's no point you watching me doing it twice. So that's gone in, out it comes, and we are going to matte these ones. This one is by Beetles Matte Top Coat. It's really nice and simple, and I just think that this particular design looks really nice in matte. Maybe you think it'd look better in glossy. Let me know in the comments down below if you think it would. Getting that in the lamp. And here's our next nail, which is, I can't remember. Oh yeah, we've got our dotting tool now. It's not a massive dotting tool. I have lots of different sizes. So more white on the palette for this one. And we're going to pick up our dots. Again, I like to place them at the bottom first so that I can see where the middle is. And then do the middle line first of the dots, because that's my guide, if you like. And then when you're doing dots, it's best, rather than doing them randomly, obviously I'm just neatening these up to make sure all the dots are the same size, but then the next line you go in between the two dots, if that makes sense, and going down in a line, making sure that they're spaced out evenly, but they're in between the two dots. I hope that makes sense. I think it does. It just looks a bit more uniform then, rather than just a load of random dots everywhere. That's my opinion anyway. It's quite easy, this one. Pop it in the lamp. And then on to the next now. We're just picking up some nice sunflower yellow type colour. It's really bright actually. And we're going to be using that for the middle of our daisies. Now these daisies are super simple. They're just a range of dots. As you can see, 5 dots in a circle. And then we're going to put a dot of yellow in the middle. So I'm just putting my guide dots in there and then making them bigger once I'm happy with the placement of where they are. So I do faff with this for a little bit, so I do apologise. Flash it. And then I'm going in and doing the other ones. I did think about doing a whole nail of these daisies, but I think I've changed my mind actually. We'll see in the video, I can't remember now, but I think I changed my mind and just did like a diagonal line of daisies, which looked quite cute actually. At this point I didn't know whether I was going to do that or not, but when I looked, because I did the next one in the next corner after this, and then decided at that point that actually I wasn't going to do a full nail of all daisies, and it looked quite cute like that on the angle. So each time I'm flashing that for 10 seconds, and now I'm coming in with my yellow for the centre of the daisies. And then that can go in for full cure for 60 seconds. And then, of course, give that a rub with some isopropyl alcohol, as I have done with the rest of the nails, and we're using our matte to top it off. And in the lamp it goes. So that's it out of the lamp, the matte. Looks kind of cute, doesn't it? And here is the whole set, which are all matted. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's been a while. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.